Here we go. Hello guys, that sounded like Mario. I'm sorry, it's about impersonation of Mario. I need to lower my pitch, and I say peach, not peach. Even though peach will work as well. So let me check this really quick. I mean, when I start talking like that, you realize I'm getting tired. So it says this is angle, this here is 40 degrees, this says is 40 degrees, and it says that this force has two components. Well, the component along this member from A to C is 500, so I know this one. That means that I need to find the other component that goes from A to B in that direction. Why in that direction? Because the problem is telling me that this component goes in this way, and in order for the resultant to go in that way, I have to go tip to tail. So this one has to go in that way. What else do we need to know from here? We know this value. We have that triangle. This is 500. This is 40. I mean, this is 400. This is 500. And I need the angles as well. So what angles do we have here? This is 40. This is 40. And this line is parallel to this line. And this line is here. This angle has to be 40 as well. Because if this is 40 and this is 40, this is 40. And what we have basically is this, and that. This is 40 degrees. This, I don't know how much is this. I'm gonna call it alpha. This value here is 500, is given in the problem, and this value here is 400, is given in the problem as well. So I can calculate everything basically right now. I can start by calculating how much is, I don't know, this angle here, or this angle here if I wanted to, which is gonna be basically the one that I'm looking for. But let's calculate this angle, it's okay. Let me do it in the old way, in the long way. So I can say sine, actually this angle here is gonna be theta, if I do it like that, because you know, you have the same situation again. This line, this is theta here. So I can do it immediately like that. So I can say sine of theta divided by 500, law of sine, has to be equal to sine of 40 divided by 400. And from here I can calculate the angle theta. And the angle theta will be 400 divided by 500 multiply, hold your horses, 500 divided by 400 multiply by sine of 40 degrees. That will give you 0.8, and the inverse sine of that will be 53.5 degrees. So that is done. The other part is what? Find the component AB. Well, if you have everything else, now you can find AB using the same law of sine if you want to, because now you know this angle here. So you can say that sine of 40 divided by 400, sine of 40 divided by 400 has to be equal to the sine of this one. But I don't know that one. It's okay, but I can know that one because now I have this one, I have this one. So that means that 180, that angle I'm going to call it alpha, and it's 180 minus this minus this. So that angle alpha is going to be 180 minus 93.5, 86.5. That would be that value over there, 86.5 degrees. So then I can say that 40 divided by, or sine of 40 divided by 400 has to be, or even better, 400 divided by sine of 40, 400 divided by sine of 40 has to be equal to AB divided by sine of alpha, and alpha is 86.5. So from here you can solve for the component AB, which is going to be 400 divided by sine of 40 multiplied by sine of 86.5, and that would be 621.13 pounds. You see, really easy solution. It's just a matter of reading the angles correctly. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.